Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to auto send SMS to website leads. So here in this case I want whenever a new response is received in my webbook by Pabbly, automatically a SMS should be sent to my customer using an SMS sending application. So here to automate this entire process we are going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect our trigger and our action. So in this process, our trigger application will be Webbook by Pabbly and our action application will be Twilio. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here you can see the website form which I have created using Elementor, and in this case I want whenever a new form submission is made in this form, automatically using an SMS sending application which is named as Twilio, a SMS should be sent to that lead. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my form with my Twilio account. And to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow. And for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button that is given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send automated SMS to website leads. And here I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name send automated SMS to website leads. And here you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Webbook by Pabbly and my trigger event as Catch Webhook. So here I've selected my trigger as Webbook by Pabbly because here I'm going to use Webbook by Pabbly to connect my form with Pabbly Connect. So you can use Webbook by Pabbly to connect any of your form with Pabbly Connect. So here you can see we have received a Webbook URL. So here we will use this Webbook URL to connect our form with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my form building application. So as you all know that Elementor is a plugin of WordPress. So here I've already logged in my WordPress account and this is my form. So from here I'm going to click on this edit with Elementor. And here in my edit page, I'm going to select my form element. And here in the left side corner, you can see we have received the option for actions after submit. So here I'm going to click on this. And here you can see we have received the option for add an action. So here I'm going to click on this add button. And here I'm going to search for the webhook. Here I'm going to select the webhook. And after selecting this action button, here you can see we have received the option for webhook here. So here we are going to select this. And here you can see it is asking for webhook URL. So for that, let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. Moving back to form. And here I'm going to add this webhook URL. So now after adding this webhook URL, here I'm going to click on this update. And with this, we have successfully added our webhook URL. So now let's click on this preview changes. And with this, we have successfully set up the webhook. Now let's move back to our Pabbly window. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive this webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test response in our form. And for that, let me take you back to my form. So here I'm going to enter a dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as demo. Last name as user. Email as demo@pabblytunes.com. A random phone number. And then I'm going to click on this send. And here you can see it says your submission was successful. So now let's go and check our Pabbly window. And here you can see we have successfully captured a response where we have received the mobile number, last name, first name and email address. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. And here I'm going to select my action application as Twilio. And my action event is send SMS message. And now to connect my Twilio account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Twilio account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking for account SID and authorization token. So here, following the instruction given below, I have already logged in my Twilio account. And here in my console window of Twilio account, I'm going to scroll it down. And here under account info, you can see I have received account SID, authorization token and my Twilio phone number. So from here, I'm going to copy this account SID. Moving back to Pabbly window, here I'm going to enter the account SID. And now here for the authorization token, moving back to Twilio account. Here I'm going to copy this authorization token. Moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to enter the authorization token. So now here, after adding all these details, here I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and now here it is asking for the body of the SMS. So here I need to enter the text which I want to send an SMS to my customer. So this is the body of the SMS which I want to send, which says, hello, customer's name. Thank you for reaching out. We have received your inquiry form submission and will get back to you shortly. Your interest means a lot to us. Regards, Umang Coolers. So here you can see I have used a variable in the place of customer's name, because here instead of entering this customer name manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my webhook by Pabbly. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever a new response is received in my webhook by Pabbly, automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I am going to map the name of the lead. First name space last name. So now here, after mapping this name, moving forward, and now here it is asking for sender number. So as per the instruction given below, here I have to enter my Twilio phone number. So for that, let me take you back to my Twilio window. Here I'm going to copy my number, moving back to Pabbly, and here I'm going to enter the number. So now here, after entering the sender number, it is asking for recipient number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this SMS. So here I'm going to map my customer's phone number. So here I'm done entering all the required data, and now before clicking on the save and send test request, here I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a SMS here. So here I've entered my number, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. So now let me show you the screenshot of the SMS which I have received on my phone. So here you can see the SMS which I have received, which says sent from your Twilio trial account. Hello demo user, thank you for reaching out. We have received your inquiry form submission and will get back to you shortly. Your interest means a lot to us. Regards, Umang Coolers. So here you can see it says sent from your Twilio trial account. So here my SMS contains this statement because here I'm using a trial account. But if you are using a paid account, automatically this statement will not appear in your SMS. So with this, we have successfully set up this automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we need to submit another response in our form, and for that, let me take you back to my form. So here I'm going to refresh this window. And here I'm going to enter another dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytunes.com. and my own phone number so that I can receive a SMS. So here I've entered my own phone number, and now I'm going to click on this send. And here you can see it says your submission was successful. So now let me show you the another screenshot of the SMS which I have received on my phone. So this is the another SMS which I have received, and here you can see we have received the same SMS body and the name as hello test user. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as webhook by Pabbly and our action as Twilio, so that whenever a new response is captured in our webhook by Pabbly, automatically a SMS should be sent to our lead. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.